Okay, this is a Crew Defender bike check. So the bike is mostly stock except for some key components. I'll start at the front. The tires that come on the stock Defender are knobbies. That doesn't make any sense. So the front tire here is a 26-inch Kenda Knipschen. I've had this tire for a long time. They're great. I recommend them. The bars are a little wide on the defaults Defender, so cut them down to about shoulder width, and you'll be happy. So different tires, cut down the bars. Get it signed by the pros who endorse this bike, J-Ball and Deacon. They both were in the ad for this bike. I'm ready to get it signed. The pedal straps are kind of required, so you got to put pedal straps on there. I ground down the pins so that you can put your feet more easily in and out of it. Kind of recommend that. It's real smooth to get your feet in. Pedal overlap, toe overlap is pretty good on this. Or there's not much overlap. You can put your foot here and kind of see I can get my toes quite a far amount over the pedal and still be able to spin the bars. The fat 26-inch tire helps also distribute those forces when you're landing, so you're not as likely to bend the fork. So go with the fatter front tire, 26-inch, let you have toe clearance. And the fork on this I think is shorter than the 700C, which means you're less likely to bend this. So that's kind of nice. Stock. The bolt drive sprocket. I've said this before, I'll say it again. The bolt that these things come with, all bikes are terrible. Swap it out. Swap it out for something that is actually good, like a hex head bolt. Just do it and get the right torque on there. And then that's not stock. Then the rear wheel, I put a 700C on there because I like the way this bike looks with the 700C in the back. It's a Everwear by Soma. They're okay. This one is a 42 millimeter wide, and it fits great in here. The hub is a front hub, re-spaced and used as a fixed gear. Shimano Dior. It's pretty cheap, but it works okay. And then the spokes and rim are from a charge mortar. So yeah, the other modification, I got some grip tape here for doing tricks like the infinity roll. It's very important if you want to do that trick. Grip tape helps. The cog is from Amazon. It's an ISO mount cog, and they use some spacers to get good bolt stretch on those M5s, I think they are. So that's the whole bike, mostly stock except for tires and rear wheel bolt drive sprocket. Thank you.